This video focuses on the Illuminate platform, specifically if I have a student close out a test too early, or if I have a student forget to close out their Illuminate test, how can I close the test for the student, or how can I reopen the test if they submitted too early? To launch the Illuminate platform, we go to our backpack on Clever, and if we click on Assessment, we use this Illuminate Teachers link. When I'm in the Illuminate platform, if I want to open up a student's test or close a student's test, I first need to get to that test. I open up Assessments, I go to View Assessments. In this case, I'm going to look for a 4th grade math test to reopen a student's test. First, I need to find the 4th grade math test that the students were taking. So here I see 2018-19 grade 4 math. They're taking investigations. The quickest way to edit these tests, to open them on this action button here, if I click Administer, that's going to take me right to the online administration page. If I were in the test, I could have clicked Administration, Online Testing. That would also get me to this page. Now I need to click on the correct class. This link here for students, any of these links for students would open up each individual student's action button. So as I follow that link, the student I'm looking at is Depina. Depina needs a test reopened. Depina submitted the test too early in just 33 minutes. Whenever this happens, all I need to go is to this online testing page, click Actions, click Reopen, and now they've successfully reopened that student's test. The student would be able to go back to their test wherever they were at when they submitted. Separately, we might have a student who finishes the test but forgets to hit Submit. Julian Beal would be one example here. We see that the test is not submitted. It was started this morning. If I want to close Julian's test so that I can see the data for his test, I need to go ahead, click Actions, and now instead of reopen, I'll see I can force finish, and if I did that, that would close Julian's test so I could see his data.